Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we're going to be installing some side skirts, rear diffuser and front splitter on the M4. So currently it's got a black diffuser, but I think it's just a standard one painted black. No side skirts. And nothing on the front. So what we've got is a cap, side of the cap. Yeah, so this is the box of stuff that's come in the box. Got all the bits in it. Fingers crossed it's easy to do. We'll start with the back first and hopefully we'll get it all done tonight. Let's get into it. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to clean up under this side. So these three bolts here are the ones that are going to hold the side thingamajiggies on, and then we'll work on the other things. So we'll clean that off so the muck's not stuck between the side thing and the car. Is it filming? Yeah. Ooh, there's a guy doing it. 2-month review on the Veva air jack. Still a ripper. Just a little bit. So we're going to remove this one here, probably that one as well, and that one. Maybe that one, who knows. That one's gone. That one's... Oh no, that's them actually coming out. They're just only going like 2 turns. Guys, about the viewing angle. Not fine, but we've got all them removed. So, better viewing angle maybe, yeah. Oh. So it uses this hole for the diffuser, doesn't use that one or that one, and uses them 2 down there, but it don't look like it lines up that well because it's from China. Just break down rather than should. I'm sure. Ooh, that hurt. Alright, so that's off. So come back up like a glove. So like a glove. That's awful. It's like Johnny Subaru. Oh, that doesn't even have. What a load of gash. Right, you're gonna have to do some bending. Is it for a tool this or something? Is it even for this car? Genuine Chinese fitment right there. Oh, quick blow dry. What you're about to see here is a fuck up. Why so sad? That's so angry. I'm not sure it fits. Always cut towards you. So that goes on there. Oh, it is in. So 1 minute though. Let's just get the side piece and have a look, see what that looks like before we talk about doing this. You do. Who's minging it? What's that like? If this is out, then this is supposed to be... So we do need to use the screws provided. I'm going to make those a bit bigger, and then round number 7. That drains, bonging. Not bad that, well, pretty straight. I bet they don't even notice.
like made up of 15 different pieces. Put that one on so it slides over it. So, where the diffuser goes over the side spats, it's just catching here. It's like there should be a little bit more of a gap. Don't know if it's to do with them not being straight or what, but just gonna zip down the over grinder a bit, clearance it. Done a little bit of clearance in. Don't know if you can see there. Not much, only like maybe 3 or 4 mil. Should hopefully get it to feel a little better. So we've got the back installed. It wasn't as bolt on as they said. It was a chew, if I'm honest with you. We'll see if it stays on. Right, we'll go around to the front now and get the splitter on. And action. So that's the splitter. It's going on the car. Fucking fat. Oh, to be fair, yeah, it sculpts to them black bits perfectly. Yeah. The shit's a screw. What more can I say? Pretty solid that for only 2 tech screws. Right, so we've got the front splitter installed. Put 1 bolt on the edge, 4 across the middle, and then another one on the edge. Looks decent, it's a bit chavvy. Looks like it's got the crimson chin, but it's on. Right, rain's coming down now, so we're going to have a look at side skirts, but if it gets too wet, we'll just sack it off as a bad job. Then we'll put them on look crap and then we'll throw them in. So in the video you can see we've got one side skirt fitted. We stopped filming after that due to the rain. I'm not sure how I feel about the side skirts. The front splitter went on okay and the rear looks cracking. So overall I'm pretty happy. Watching all the videos, like, share, subscribe, ring that bell.